Block 6 of our 2019 Charity Quilt Along called Threadology. From February to May 2019, we will be releasing 2 free block patterns per month. In June, we will be releasing the finishing and backing set instructions also. This is a free pattern and we're asking for donations to Make-A-Wish at the link below. Moda Fabrics will be donating $10,000 and Fat Quarter Shop will be donating $10,000, and we're hoping to raise $20,000 from our customers so that we can get $40,000 for Make-A-Wish. So let's start this block. Our fair and square block is super easy. So you're going to take a fabric A and fabric D square, and we're going to put those right sides together. We're going to make half square triangles, which is super easy. I like to put pins on 2 sides to keep it in place when I'm sewing on my sewing machine. I'm going to draw a line in the very center and then a line 1/4 inch away from my center on both sides, and having those pins really keeps it nice and in place. Then we're going to take artificial thread and stitch on these outer 2 lines. Then we're going to cut right in the center and press open. And for each block you need 4 half square triangles. Super, super easy, and this is how they look. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of rotate them and make it to where they just make a little center. And then you're going to put those right sides together and stitch down. And what I like to do is put these together and pin right in this edge where you can see that your fabrics line up, and put a pin here. And a pin here, and you want to do the same thing on the next one so that when you get this done, your points match. So then you will stitch those together, then stitch this together, and this is your center unit, and you're going to need 1 for each block. Our block is almost done. We just have to put it together. So you're going to lay out fabric B squares and fabric C rectangles along with your center unit, and then we're going to just stitch those together just like this. And then it's going to look like this. And then you're just going to stitch these together. And then one little comment I was going to make is this is a scrappy quilt. If you're totally OCD like me, you can make all of the rulers go the same direction. Or if you just want to like let it go, you don't have to. So this is something where if you're looking at someone's quilt and we're all done, you can really tell how OCD somebody is, because mine always go the same direction. These don't, so don't pay attention. But in the big scheme of things, you will not see it in a quilt. But it gives you a little control when you're making it. That's just a fun little tip from me. So these are your beautiful fair and square blocks. You will have 1 large and 4 small. And you want to come back in 2 weeks for another set of free patterns. And make sure to donate to Make-A-Wish, and I'll see you next time.